Yeah, you know, the only thing I really hate more than our constitutional rights and freedoms that were granted as Americans is probably lifted trucks and bacon. Ooh, that truck's pretty.
You know, I already have one project truck. That's probably enough.
No, you know, it's like I don't even care. You know, if someone copies my build exactly, like to the T with the same wheels, tires, suspension, everything, that doesn't really bother me. I mean, imitation is the greatest form of flattery, right?
I'm not sure if I should lift this thing and get 40s or just leave it stock.
Yeah, guys, on second thought, I don't know if we should go out tonight. I just don't really feel like raising hell.
You know, I'm just gonna say it. 16 wides, they're just too wide. It's too much poke.
SEMA trucks? Way too big.
Ugh. You know what noise I can't stand? Turbo whistle.
You know, to be fair, I probably didn't need to compensate quite as much as I did, but I really wanted the point to be very clear. No, Dad, honestly, it's fine. How much do you need?
You know, I really think my truck is fast. Oh yeah. Now this is fuel efficient. I'm sure my wife won't care if I use the kids' baptism money for new wheels and tires. I don't see what the big deal is.
I don't know if I really need the truck. I mean, I'll probably just trade it in on a Prius.
Oh, Oh, an aftermarket exhaust? No. Nope, not a chance. That's illegal, sir.
Oh, I just love my truck. Gas mileage is through the roof.
I wouldn't even want a compound turbo Duramax. That's just way too much power. Honestly, man, like, between you and me, I know I drive a lifted truck and everything, but I actually do have a huge penis.